Hi everyone, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం algebraic questions x plus 1 by x equal to 3 then x cube plus 1 by x cube how much? Okay, so ఇక్కడ p equals to 3. ఓకే, దీనికి ట్రిక్ ఏంటంటే p cube minus 3p. ఓకే, p cube means 3 cube minus 3 into p is 3. Okay, 3 cube is 27. How? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, minus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, so 27 minus 9 is 18. This is the answer, 18. Okay na? Next, x plus 1 by x is 8. Then x cube is 1 by x cube how much? So comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.